In today's video, we will be doing an install on a 2014 to 2021 Toyota Tundra. This bumper fits a 2007 through 2021 Toyota Tundra with or without parking sensors. This bumper also fits a 2007 through 13 Tundra, the only difference being the lower valance that's below the grille and headlights will need to stay on the vehicle. Before beginning the bumper install, unpack all the parts, hardware, and any components that came with the bumper. Check them against the installation instructions to make sure that your bumper is complete with all components. Before beginning the installation, disconnect the negative battery terminal on the vehicle.
Now locate the fog light and sensor plug if equipped.
Disconnect each one so that when you remove the bumper, these are not pulled from the vehicle. Now with help, go ahead and remove the front bumper by pulling straight out, and beware of the front top lip of the bumper underneath any valance that may be underneath the grille or headlights. This will need to be pivoted so that it does not pull the valance off with it. With the bumper now removed from the truck, now would be the time to remove the factory sensors, if equipped, to be reinstalled into the ICI Alumilite bumper. This would also be the time to install the optional RT light bar on the Alumilite bumper. On this particular installation, we are not going to be installing the RT light bar. The RT light bar allows you to mount additional lighting to the top of the bumper, up to a 20-inch light bar or single LED cubes. Begin installation of the Alumilite bumper by installing the provided brackets onto the factory frame. Reusing the 14mm hex head nuts removed from the factory bumper, loosely install the brackets to the frame. Do not fully tighten the brackets, as you want to have adjustment for later in the installation. Once the brackets have been installed to the frame of the vehicle, begin by prepping the Alumilite bumper with the provided T-bolts. Install the T-bolts into the bumper, utilizing the plastic retaining nuts to hold them in the bumper so they don't fall out during installation. We also provide a plastic insulator to go between the aluminum bumper and the steel brackets. This insulator is just to prevent any contact of steel on aluminum and prevent any corrosion in the future. Once the bumper has been prepared, with help, you can now attach the bumper to the brackets installed on the frame. Remember to leave all hardware loose until the bumper has been completely attached to the vehicle. With the bumper loose fit to the vehicle, we're going to begin aligning the bumper to the truck. This bumper is adjustable up and down and side to side. The bumper is adjustable from the brackets to the frame of the truck vertically. The bumper is also adjustable horizontally and vertically where the bumper attaches to the brackets. Aligning this is up to you. Check the side-to-side alignment, check the vertical alignment, also check the horizontal alignment. You can spend as much time as you'd like aligning this. The goal is to keep at least an 1/8 to 1/4 inch gap between the top of the bumper and any fender or grille. This will prevent any rubbing of the powder coat as vibration occurs. Sometimes during the alignment process, shims may need to be added between the bumper and the bumper bracket to get the bumper to align properly with the fenders. These shims are not provided, but a regular washer can be used or stacked depending on the thickness that you need. Once you are satisfied with the alignment, fully tighten all hardware. Make sure that the brackets are tight to the frame and the bumper is tight to the brackets. Once the bumper has been fully tightened, double check your alignment and spacing between the top of the bumper and the grille and fenders. Plug your sensors back in to the factory harness if equipped. Install and wire any lighting that you may be including with the bumper. Finally, once all harnesses have been plugged back in, make sure that there are no loose hanging wires to interfere with any moving parts. Secure these wires using zip ties or any other retaining device. This truck's wheel well liners have already been modified. If your wheel well liners are factory and they are hanging down below the lip of the bumper, underneath the fenders, you can trim these using a razor blade or scissors. How you trim them is completely up to you.